Lydia. Hi. What you doing? Hi, pretty girls. Today is November 5th. So on November 22nd, she'll be 6 months old. Hi. I want to get you to do some stuff so I can get it on video. Here, let me turn off the TV. Okay. Lydia, can you say... Good job. Can you say a Uh-oh. Uh-oh, scadios. Can you show me how you... Oh, really? Can you show me how you get up on those knees? Can you crawl over here? Come here, baby. Oh, Toby's gonna just walk in front of the camera. Lydia, come here. Can you crawl over here? Come here. Come here, baby. Lydia. Come here. Come on. Come on. Good job. Oh, and goes down on the belly. Don't get mad. It's okay. You say mama? You say mama? Oh, good Lord.